We're here at Disney's Animal Kingdom for my favorite enchanting extra, the Wild Africa Trek. Let's go get suited up. You're all good. For this tour, you have to get suited up in a harness to keep you and the animals safe. I also recommend wearing long pants or shorts because it's a lot more comfortable with the harness. They require you to wear closed-toed shoes as well to keep you safe on the trek. Disney's Wild Africa Trek is a 3-hour tour that takes you right into the heart of the savannah. You get to cross a rope bridge over the crocodiles, participate in a hippo training experience, and you get to go on a private safari that ends right here at the Boma, where you have an African-inspired snack. Disney's Wild Africa Trek is the perfect place for you and your kids to put down your phones and just enjoy the trek. Disney provides photographers around the whole tour to take pictures of you and your family. But be careful because this rope bridge can get a little bit scary.
And what we're looking at right over here are Nile crocodiles.
One of the best things about Wild Africa Trek is getting up close and personal encounters with animals like these Nile crocodile. This is so cool. We actually get to walk through the forest in Disney's Animal Kingdom and check out animals along the way.
Got all the ferns that are right over here.
We just got out to the Boma, and you will not believe the incredible views we have of all the animals here at Animal Kingdom. My family's done this tour multiple times, and we absolutely love surprising our kids with it because it is such a fun way to see all of the animals. Make sure you book this experience 60 days out because it fills up really quickly, and you don't want to miss out. For more information on planning a Disney World vacation, head over to planDisney.com.